Is it actually working?
Yeah, it is working. Romeo, please, Bravo. They're talking.
Be careful what you're saying.
They should hear this. Try to hear it. Try to listen. It's good.
Yeah. We have just arrived to Coventry, and we are going to explore a museum. It's called Motor Museum.
So where are we gonna go? Left or right?
No, right. Need to go right. Want to say something to your nation?
Maadto kami sa, what is this?
Coventry?
Coventry, sa museum ka mga car.
Yes, motorbikes also.
Motorbike.
And the World War II.
Car. Thank you. Okay, let's go guys.
This, no, it used to be free, but now not anymore.
Should go from this side.
She said she opened the door, right?
Wait,
Some really old push bike. 1818, 1860.
This car was made at the first car factory in Britain. The motor mills in the Coventry Coventry set up by Harry Lawson in 1896. Oh, this is old. Older than you. Older than you.
Yes. Almost 100 years older, love. This is like an old trike with the engine. So like a motorbike engine. Some really old push bikes. 1890, 1897. This has to be so hard to ride on this. Look at the size of the tires. They're so small. This one's got a huge wheel on the front, small in the back. That's where the pedals are, on the front wheel.
I will try this one. This is funny, but
By 1895, when more than 30 factories in Coventry turned them out. It was the city's biggest industry.
And this one, it looks like steam engine. It doesn't say what kind of engine is this, but it looks to me like a steam engine. But oh no, it's got a spark plug. There is a spark plug. That means it's petrol. Nice.
Little those need them too, because where you have engineers, eventually.
Look at this family push bike. It's like for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people, or 2 adults and 3 kids. Really nice motorbike. We should go that way first and then go back that way. More motorbikes.
oh,
Some really nice engine, and it's already
very small
4-stroke.
engine. A small one. Which one?
These are from the 19th century. And this is a lady bicycle for the ladies. It's the car engine. It's called Standard Coventry. Want to try racing? We have bicycle, motorcycle,
How?
horse, motor car, train.
What's that one?
No. So, oh yeah, it is. Who's gonna be the fastest one? Oh,
Motorcycle.
see, motorcycle. Yes, that's more like it.
Yeah.
No, it's broke
the
down.
train, the train.
It's broke down. Look.
The train.
Yeah.
Yes.
You fix it. Look. 11 Daimler Tourer. It used to be only for the very rich people. This is very interesting. Push bike with the engine. It's got a small engine in the back. This is the fuel tank. And I think throttle, it's there. In the old days, they don't use chains, they use like a leather belt for the transmission, for the wheel.
Mo gyud gusto na. Royal.
Engineers were brought in from Birmingham, Manchester, London and beyond, driving the population up by
Do you think Queen Elizabeth said on that?
No.
But that,
Maybe, when she was young.
yeah, maybe part of the family, right? Because
This
she's royal.
is like a taxi.
Not surprising, really. For instance, William Hillman had put over £22,000 into his car company by 1914. That's £2 million in today's money. But what wealthy owners wanted wasn't always good for business.
Challenge, motorcycle.
They might make them big, expensive cars like the 19th century. A real cabbage of the fast party, purchased the vehicle.
Oh, this is like a clock in, clock out when you go to work. You put your card in, you change to in, and you just push that one. Yeah. Car for the kids. These days, if you see one, they become very, very expensive.
I think you need to push it by yourself.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because you see,
Yeah.
no father.
No. Look.
This one is very old.
Yeah, it's like original rusty. I like it. I like when it's original.
In 1900, Coventry was the
Very old cars. And this is an old newspapers from this place, from Coventry. This looks like a 4-cylinder, 2 carburetors engine. It's small, very small. I don't know what's the size of the engine.
model, right? From there going in.
Humber, 1930.
And even in Coventry, with none of the big boys like Mars and Austin in town, business
Oh, yeah.
grew. Standard made 55,000.
It's only 2 seats, this one.
So it's only 2 seats.
Yeah,
Things are really taking off.
good for
This is
singles.
good for the
For the singles.
Technology and style coming together at last.
1934.
Wasn't just for boats and planes anymore.
It's getting
Cars too. And when it met the Art Deco style, the result was that this had turned to this.
other side.
Advertisers said the new designs were
This one is a big engine.
enduring and satisfying for the age.
Engine.
Look at this beauty.
Just gorgeous.
Look at this beauty.
Coventry looked bright. Except this was 1939.
This one is the biggest one, I think.
Oh, this is the royal family.
This one. Oh, 1935 Queen Mary's Daimler.
Yes.
Your mom? Queen Elizabeth mom?
Wait, love, I'm just gonna see this engine first. What? Oh, this is V12.
Big engine.
Yeah, I think this is Rolls-Royce engine like this one. V12, yeah, it's huge. You need to own a petrol station to drive this. Look at this huge car. The size of the truck. Here.
Yeah, this is good.
This scenario is showing World War II German bombing Coventry, dropping the bombs on Coventry. Not just Coventry in England, but that's how it looks like. There is a big bomb, but it's dark, so it's hard to see this.
Scary, look at this.
Yeah.
Someone there with glass. There's a nuclear.
Oh yeah. This is the underground shelter for in case of the gas attack. Because Germans, they also drop the bombs with the gas. Some more military vehicles. Okay.
Oh, it's stuck now.
This is like a boxer engine, but it's not outside, it's inside.
It is. It is. I can remember when these were on the road in the 60s. All British. Over
But
the top in its engineering.
this 12? Is this 12 cylinder?
Eh?
Is this 12 cylinder?
Well, there's.
It's like,
It's got a common cylinder with pistons approaching from each direction to the combustion chamber, and it's working on this big lever down to turn the crankshaft. Thank you, John. And the crankshaft, which is what in line with the clutch here, so underneath where you can't see it. Oh, this is, it's got a supercharger on it.
yeah, that's amazing.
But now,
And built here.
Yeah.
More amazing.
From here, from Coventry. Love, you still hungry? I've got something for you.
I bet this tastes good.
Oh yeah, just try it.
Not now. It's all plastic now.
No, it's real.
Really?
They have to put fresh every day. Can you smell it?
No, it's not true. It's plastic. But this one looks now.
No, this is real. Oh yeah, it's real. Look, the field phone.
Oh, yeah. Can you take me a video? Look.
Is it actually working?
Yeah, it is working. Romeo, please, Bravo. They're talking.
Be careful what you're saying.
They should hear this. Try to hear it. Try to listen. It's good.
Yeah, it's good. play.
Oh, yeah. No, I'll do it. You take me a video. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Yeah,
I'll
we
do
both.
it.
No, we both have to do it.
No, you stay here
Okay.
and take me a video.
Okay. Really? Racing cars. The fastest one, the black one. Would you ever would you ever sit inside this? Oh my god. It's got the Rolls-Royce jet engine, 35,000 horsepower. Nice. Do you think we could use this for a shopping?
No.
Or maybe this one?
We don't have we can't have doggies.
This is the fastest one, love.
Which one? This one?
This one, yeah. Got huge.
This is car
Jet.
or what? What do you call this? It's a blade?
I'm not sure. It says on this, look. It's a
For the supersonic car.
sonic.
Ah, it's a car.
That means this thing goes over 1,000 kilometers per hour.
Wow.
There's another one. These are jet fighters, love, with the wheels on. They're not flying, but they are like jet fighters.